Every great creation begins as a whisper of an idea. A single line drawn to capture speed and form. But to move from a sketch to a global scale, we must enter the digital workshop. Here, CAD software transforms art into engineering, mapping every curve to a fraction of a millimeter. We then bring the data to life. Layer by layer, light and resin collaborate to create the first physical prototype. The blueprint is no longer a dream, it is a tangible reality, ready to be forged into steel. Design is the soul, but steel is the backbone. To manufacture at scale, we must create a master mold, a process of pure power and absolute precision. High-speed CNC machines carve into hardened alloy, working through the night. It is a violent dance of friction and cooling, where even a microscopic error can cost thousands. Every curve and every rivet hole must be perfect. This steel negative will be the parent to millions of future cars. The two halves meet. With tons of hydraulic pressure, the mold is locked. The stage is set for the first pour.
Now, the machines take over. In the world of toys, there are two paths to perfection. The first is plastic injection. In seconds, raw polymer pellets are